Welcome to our channel. If you need SNAP food assistance and want to get fast approval, follow these step-by-step instructions to expedite your application process. Step 1. Visit your state's SNAP website or benefits.gov to check eligibility requirements and start your application. Income limits vary by state, but are generally around 130% of the federal poverty level. Step 2. Determine if you qualify for expedited service, which provides benefits within 7 days. You may qualify if your household has less than $150 in monthly income and less than $100 in liquid resources. Step 3. Complete your application online, in person at your local SNAP office, or by downloading and mailing a paper application. Online applications are typically processed fastest. Step 4. Gather required documents including proof of identity, social security numbers for household members, proof of residence, income verification like pay stubs or award letters, and information about expenses like rent and utilities. Step 5. Provide accurate information about all household members, income sources, assets, and expenses. Incomplete or inaccurate information is the most common cause of delays. Step 6. Attend your interview, which may be conducted by phone or in person. Answer all questions honestly and have your documentation ready to verify the information in your application. Step 7. Submit any additional verification documents promptly if requested. Missing the deadline for providing verification can result in denial. Step 8. Once approved, you'll receive an EBT card loaded with your monthly benefits. Activate your card immediately and set up a PIN to start purchasing eligible food items. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel